What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another episode right here on Software Engineering Concepts playlist right here on IO the General Software Engineering Concepts in Python. Today we are looking at SQLAlchemy. So SQLAlchemy is Python's premier database toolkit that bridges SQL and Python's simplifying database interactions, and it offers two approaches. The core toolkit for direct SQL operations and an object relational mapper that maps Python classes to database tables for object-oriented database access. So we are going to look at the key features and its use cases. So the key features of the SQLAlchemy is flexible query construction. It creates database queries using Python expressions or raw SQL, giving developers the right abstraction level for each task. And it's database agnostic, which works with all major SQL databases, including PostgreSQL and MySQL, SQLite, and also Oracle through a consistent API. It is also enterprise ready, meaning that it features connection pooling, transaction management, and migration tools that scale from small to enterprise applications. That's it for the SQLAlchemy. And if you do not understand anything about this, do well to post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.